Do you know what all the successful people have a common? What they are doing, one thing that all the most successful in the world doing, that is they love reading book. Yes, they love reading book. And I'm not talking about your friend, I'm not talking about your colleague, I'm not talking about your classmate. I'm talking the word top most successful people, the word top most businessmen I'm talking about. They love reading book. So today I would like to talk about one most and powerful topic, that is called the powerful habit of reading book. And hello friend, this is Surya, motivational speaker, Lawofattraction coach and Hooponopono healer. And today I bring another new topic, and my today topic is the powerful habit of reading book. And today I would like to explain this topic with two best formula. How can reading help you and what can reading brings in your life? The first and most important formula is reading expand your mind. Yes friend, reading expand your mind. If you love reading book, so what benefit can you get? What can you get while reading the book? First, you get the sharp mind, the loaded mind. Suppose I would like to give you an example. You have one powerful weapon with which you can kill entire world, but you don't have bullet in it. So how do you treat that? Will it a powerful weapon or it is a toy? It is a toy, because if there is no bullet in that, so that is a toy. In the same way, you have a human life. God has given this amazing personality, but you don't have knowledge. So what can you do without knowledge? You can't do anything. That's why I said reading expand your mind. Reading sharp your mind, because if you love reading book, somewhere you are collecting unlimited knowledge, somewhere you are giving sharpness to your mind, somewhere you are giving boost of your mind. So reading expand your mind. And second important point, reading help you to build confidence and build better communications. Today you see, most of the time you see, people have a lack of communication skill, people have a fear of public speaking, people have a low confidence. Why do people have all these bad traits? Do you know why? Yeah, did you ever try to know why people have all these bad traits? So let me tell you, if you don't know, so let me tell you. First, if you want to build a better communication skills, so what do you really need? Tell me, what do you really need? Do you think that do you need physics, chemistry, math, biology, zoology? No, man. Do you need something like history and all? No, friend. So what exactly do you need? According to me and according to the word, you need best information. You need best knowledge. And how can you get that? Can you get that knowledge while reading the subjective book? No, you cannot get. So you will have to read out of the subject, that is called traditional subject. If you read the traditional subject, so you can get more knowledge, you can get more experience of life, because the person who writes the book, he cannot write book within 1 month and 2 months. That person is sharing his 25-year, 35-year and 45-year life experience. If you got somebody life experience, and not only he gives you knowledge, but also he is giving you the power, he is giving you habit, he is giving you how to think, he is giving you how to create a desire, he is giving you how to set a goal, he is giving a lot of knowledge. So you think, what will be your communication skill? What will be the level of your confidence? What will be your public speaking quality? Your public speaking quality, your communication skill quality, and your level of confidence, your level of speaking, everything will change. How? Only because of reading. The first thing you have to understand, reading can help you to improve your public speaking, reading can help you improve your communication skill, and reading can also help you to enhance your confidence. So these two powerful formula, if you apply in your life, these two powerful formula can change entire concept of your life, entire scenario of your life. So you will have to understand that how much reading is necessary. And you know what, the most successful people in the world, the most successful people in the world, the most successful athletes, the most successful actor, the most successful businessman, the most successful people in any particular area, If he is successful, not because he is successful, he is success because he loves reading, he loves collecting knowledge, he loves applying those knowledge in his life. Because of that knowledge, if he is successful, so today he is successful because of reading. So you also accept this quality, apply in your life, and read the book, learn it, sharp your mind and sharp your communication skill, and you become a best of the person in your life. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and even don't forget to like my video. Thank you so much. Love you.